Hello, I'm Jacob Caldwell, massage therapist here in Seattle. I'm hosting the event How to Walk Correctly to solve your chronic and leg and back issues. I've been a massage therapist since 2002, and I found that most chronic leg pain is due to posture. We will go into how issues like low back pain, shin splints, sciatica, plantar fasciitis, and neck pain is created by how you walk. Pain is due to flexing your muscles out of place, and the way to solve pain is to flex them back into place. In this event, I'll demonstrate how most back and leg pain is caused by an incorrect walking technique. So when you leave, you'll be aware of what precisely you need to do to resolve your specific pain. Sign up here and get my How to Walk Correctly book for free when you attend the next workshop.